Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. It's finally fan art time again, and I'm so sorry it always takes me forever to get these videos out to you, but please do know that I treasure your fan art and I always look forward to getting them. So please never stop drawing, and if you can, I would definitely appreciate if you can send them to me, because I know it takes a lot of effort and it does cost some money, so I really do appreciate you making that effort to send them to me. Okay, so I'm so excited to do this fan art today because I have so many drawings. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show all of them because there's just too many. So I kind of picked here and there, just some to highlight for you, and then I'm going to show you more just on the camera itself with me off camera. And then at the end, as I promised from the last fan art video, I'm going to be giving away another Starbucks card. This was the other half of the best friends thing. So the last person that got this, I hope you did get that, get the card, and I hope you had some really yummy, you were able to get some really yummy Starbucks and enjoy some drinks. So let's see here. I have some piled right here. I wanted to just kind of highlight before, like I said, before I started the actual fan art video. But look at this right here. This is by Katie. Isn't this just the cutest? Obviously, she is a huge BTS fan, and I'm just so happy I was able to draw these guys for you, and it's so loved. So thank you for this. This is just so adorable. Such a great artist, right? Took the time to cut this out. It's just amazing. It's so perfect. And here's another one. Starbucks. Obviously, you guys know I love Starbucks. And look at this one. Wow. Look at the coloring on this thing. It's just amazing. And this is by Leah. And I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name. I'm trying my best. But this is by Leah. Thank you so much. And this one was by Claire. I forgot to mention that. And then look at this. My goodness. This person here, this Draw So Cutie fan, made me these cards, right? Look how awesome, how much work this all took. You guys are just so amazing, cuties. Thank you so much. And this is by, oh my gosh, I hope I'm saying it right. Danielle? Danielle or Dan? I'm thinking it's Daniel, right? I'm sorry. Please forgive me. But thank you so much for this. And it's just amazing. Thank you for making me these cards. And let's see here. This one right here. Isn't this just wonderful? I love the scenery. I love how when you guys draw and you put everything together and you make it this beautiful picture. And this one here is by Kaylee. Thank you so much. And of course, we got Frozen right here. And this is by Taylor. Thank you for this amazing drawing. And ta-da! Starbucks! All of my Starbucks drinks, right? And this one's by Amanda. And look at this one. Superheroes, right? Girl power. And this is amazing. This is by Jada. Thank you so much. And one more here before I get started on the roll of fan art. This is by Genevieve. Oh, that's so sweet and so cute. You guys are just the sweetest. All the messages you guys send me. Thank you so much. So I'm going to get started on just showing you more fan art. And then at the end, like I said, I'm going to show you the person, the fan, that's going to get this gift card from Starbucks. So there, hope you cuties enjoy looking at all those beautiful drawings. And once again, thank you so much for making the effort to send them to me. So make sure if you want to send them to me and you haven't already, just my address is right here. And I definitely look forward to getting them, and hopefully I'll get another fan art video out soon. And thank you so much for always being so patient, cuties, about these fan art videos. I'm trying my best. So hopefully next time I'll have another giveaway for you guys. But before I go, like I promised, I was going to show you the winner of the gift card today, and ta-da! Here it is. This is by Lila. I hope I didn't butcher your name. I think that's how you pronounce it, right? I just love this drawing because, well, it's me. It's a drawing I did of myself a long time ago. And thank you for drawing me, and thank you for being my #1 fan, Lila. And I hope you will enjoy some Starbucks on me. Well, Starbucks is still open. The drive-thru is still open. So I hope you and your family will enjoy some yummy sweet drinks. And thanks so much, cuties. Stay safe out there, and remember to keep drawing, keep smiling, and I love you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.